What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Smithy, and what we do here is truck videos and travel videos, and sometimes we'll throw in a few other things. It's not brand new, it's 2015. It only has 60,000 miles. I got a wonderful deal from Virginia. I had to drive about 4 hours to go get it. That was kind of a bummer, but I got me basically a brand new 4Runner. The reason I got rid of my other 4Runner is because it had close to 130,000 miles, and I wanted to do a trip around the United States. So I want to hit all 50 states, 49, 48 if I'm not going to Alaska or Hawaii. Let me go ahead and show you around my new 4Runner, and hope you like it. Let's get to it. Here's what we're working with. It got a 2015 Toyota 4Runner. I bought it with 60,000 miles. That's like brand new in Toyota years. I had a bunch of the same stuff from my last 4Runner that I kept, like the roof rack, the roof boxes, the black emblems. I ain't really done much to it. It came with a bumper guard, but I took it off. As you can see the little brackets down there. Find it in the camera right there. See them brackets right there? Thinking about putting a light bar down there, and also a light bar up on the roof. It came with these rain guards already from WeatherTech. I really like these because they actually go down the mirror. Not much to it. I did buy some new TRD wheels, the same from my last one, but I had to get rid of my last wheels because it was on the vehicle. I really enjoy the 4Runner. The RAV4 was really nice, but I'm just too big to live in a RAV4. I tried to make it work, but I would have to take out the passenger seat, and I really didn't want to take out the passenger seat because people can see in the back if there's no seats blocking. Well, you can kind of see through the middle, but you get what I'm saying. And as you can see, I removed the actual word 4Runner and put my big logo, or excuse me, big logo, because everyone knows it's a 4Runner, and I want people to come check out my channel and become part of our squad. I've already started working on the inside, so I got a platform in there, but that's gonna be in another video. I'm gonna show you step by step on how I did that, because a bunch of people keep asking me, how did you make your platform? How did you make your platform? So I'm gonna walk y'all through it step by step. So right now I'm not gonna show you, but I did get my windows tinted as well. I did 15s in the back of the ceramic. It keeps it nice and cool on the inside and knocks out a bunch of that radiation, because I just got painted tint or stain tint. I don't even know what you call it, but I went ahead and got an upgrade on the tint. And then on the windshield, I put 40 to kill a lot, because this is the majority of where my heat comes from when I'm sleeping in my car. It's because there's nothing blocking the sun rays beating on the dash, beating on the steering wheel, beating on the seats. So it gets really hot really fast. So I went ahead and put a light layer of tint on the front, and also put my sunshade that I always put on my vehicles that stows away in the corner over there. I don't know if you can see it. A lot of adventures to come, and yeah, stick around, see where we go. Like and subscribe if you want to be part of our squad. But yeah, let's go ahead and try and find some more trails to hit. Bye. I have ones that are medium size and then the really, really big ones. And here's what the different sizes are. Yeah, if you really want to support the channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. And I'm also thinking about branching out and making other stickers for my channel. So if you're a designer and you have ideas that could help me out, I would gladly pay you for your time. Send me some samples, tell me what you got.